Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to add JavaScript programmatically in ASP.NET, and we'll consider the same example that we discussed in the last video, video 3 or video 4. Change background color of text box on focus, but instead of on focus, let me just say on mouse over. So here the meaning is when you will just move mouse over the control, the background color will be changed, and when you will just move mouse pointer out of the control, whatever the original color was will reset again. So here the meaning is will not write the specific code to invoke the JavaScript, but here programmatically we will add. So let us see the example. Say I have designed one form. Just look at this. I have just designed one form. There are two text box and one button, and my purpose is I want to change the background color of this text box and button to something else when I just move mouse. So let me just execute what is at the beginning. So when you'll run this page, you can see when I move mouse over this text box, there is no action performed. So let me do some change and we'll see what exactly happening is. So I'll go to the source part. I know the script is to be written here. The same script that I applied in the last example, I'll just write it here. So I prepared two functions. One is a change color to yellow, and before changing the color, whatever the original color is that I have stored in the old color. Now there is another function reset color that I'll called when the mouse is out of the control. So here there are two functions. This should be called when the mouse is move over the control, and this should be when mouse is goes out of the control. But I'll not write anything here. I'll bind the JavaScript at runtime. So when my the web page is requested, and during the load event, I'll just bind the JavaScript with the control. So let me just add code here. So that I want to call JavaScript function for textbox 1. So I'll write here attributes dot add. Then there are two parameters. You can see there are two parameters. The first is the attribute name. So just consider that what you will write here, just something like this on mouse over equal to something, and there something is what change color of this. Fine. So this, let me copy this. So I'm not going to write it here. I'll just bind this programmatically. So just to understand, I come here. So just go to this C# code and just you keep in front of you what I'm writing, so that will be very clear. Okay, so first thing is the attribute is the on mouse over in the source code. So I'll write the first parameter is on mouse over, and the second thing is what value you want to assign. So the value that I want to assign is change color and this. So let me just assign to here. Okay, so that means that dynamically in text box 1 one more attribute will be added, and that is on mouse over. Similarly, you can write another thing. I am going to write one more time. I missed to add to reset the color. So let me write here on mouse out. I would like to change reset color. I like to call reset color. So let us execute this example. We'll come to know what is happening here. Okay, now see when you'll move mouse here, see does not change, does not affect, but don't forget that you have written code for text box 1, not for text box 2. So see, for text box 1, if you'll see, the effect is there. So here whenever you will mouse, move your mouse over the control, you will get the background color change. Similarly, you can apply the same thing for the text box 2 and for the button also. Let me just apply for the button to understand more. I think you can do this. Okay, thank you for watching video. The Kamlesh Patel. If you have any more query, just write to me at kamlesh patel kamalempatel@gmail.com. Thank you.